If you want to enjoy a stress-free, drama-free, and very independent life, baby girl, you need to explore low-maintenance friendships. Hello, welcome back. Today we have a very exciting topic. We're going to be talking about the power of low-maintenance female friendships. So I have experienced the beauty of female friendships. I've been in friend groups. I've had many lives, so I've had many friends during that journey. As I've grown a little bit older, I found myself leaning more towards low-maintenance friendship, and here's why you should too. If you're someone who struggles to set healthy boundaries, high-maintenance friendships will literally suck the soul out of your life, because you have this person who is in your life constantly, in your space constantly. I know from experience, I've been that friend that is in people's spaces constantly, and I have sort of taken a step back from that because I don't want that for myself either. I'm a very introverted person and I really like my space. I really enjoy my space. So having someone in my space is not really my cup of tea. I know how that sounds, but it's not really my cup of tea. I want to be able to look for my friends when I need them, and I want them to be able to look for me when they need me. And it doesn't have to be every day. We don't have to be talking every day. We don't have to be hanging out every day. And that works for me. That really works for me because it gives me space to be independent. It gives me space to be myself. It gives me space to just embrace individuality. If you don't like your own company, the next person is not going to like your company. So find things that you're comfortable doing by yourself and explore those things and just embrace self-discovery. I feel like we just want to be attached to other people all the time, but sometimes it's just very healthy for you to set boundaries, to discover yourself, and to just be in your own space, in your own thoughts, and process things however you want to process them without outside influences. And if you want someone to weigh in and give you their opinion, that's still fine, but sometimes you just need to self-assess and self-assess. So give yourself that time, explore your individuality, explore who you are without your friends, without other people around you. When you really get into that space where you have low maintenance friendships, you start feeling less guilty about not responding to that text or about not showing up to that event that you genuinely didn't even want to go to. You'll discover that you feel more liberated, you feel more free, you don't feel as drained. Because I know I'm not the only one who feels sort of stifled, drained by just hanging out with other people who have all these expectations of you all the time. Sometimes you just want to be lazy. Sometimes you don't want to go out. Sometimes you don't want to do the things that the other person wants to do, and it's okay. It's fine. And having friends that understand that it's okay to not hang out all the time is top tier. Being in low maintenance friendship just gives you a sense of relief. It's so effortless. You really explore your friendships on a deeper level. To be honest, the misconception is that you have to be talking to your girls all the time. But sometimes that's not very healthy for you. It's not very healthy for them. There is something beautiful about knowing that even if I don't talk to you every day, when I need to, you are there. Even if you don't talk to me every day, when you need me, I'm also there. And this chapter is not very easy, but when you really lean into it, you start to see the benefits of that effortlessness of having low maintenance friendships. You don't have to be doing all these things. You don't have to be going out of your way. You don't have to be going out of your comfort zone. You don't have to be doing things that you don't like. You don't have to be doing things that are not you coded, baby girl. So lean into it and give into low maintenance friendships, and you thank me not later, you thank me sooner than you think. Everyone is busy. We are all adulting. We are all trying to make ends meet. We are all trying to find our way through this journey called life. So really, who has the energy to be in that high school phase, in that high school space where you have to be with each other all the time? We really genuinely don't have the time. So identify those toxic relationships, let them go, and nurture the meaningful relationship. You don't need to be everyone's friend. That's one. And you don't need to limit yourself as well. You can have friends with different interests and they don't have to be in the same room. So identify what you like in different people and do not limit yourself. I know with high maintenance relationships, it's almost as if you are in another relationship where you have to be committed to this person. Everything you do, you have to do with this person. You don't have to hang out with the same person all the time. You can have many different friends and enjoy their different aspects. And it's fine. It's not cheating. It's just friendship. You can have a friend who is more of your business partner. You can have a friend who is more of your going out partner. You can have a friend who is more of your, maybe your phone friend. You can have many different aspects of people without really committing to that, to one person. There is no need to limit yourself. You can benefit from different people and different people can benefit from you, and that's fine. You don't have to depend on this one person, to burden this one person and just dump everything on this one person and expect them to be wise in business, wise in this, wise in that. There's no one person who is one-dimensional on this planet. And as much as you want that girl to be your twinnie, to be your this, to be your that, they are not going to be completely like you. They're not going to be completely have the same interests as you. They're not going to just enjoy all the things that you like and all the places that you want to go to. They also want to go to. There's some aspects where you just have to branch out in a way and find friends for not necessarily find friends, but embrace having friends for different aspects of your life. If you want to enjoy a stress-free, drama-free, and very independent life, baby girl, you need to explore low-maintenance friendships. I know you can lose some people while trying to embrace your individuality, and that's fine. Not every friendship is meant for long-term. Some friendships are just for one phase of your life, and some friendships are just for a season. And that's all right. You do not have to conform. You do not have to limit yourself. You can just be yourself and enjoy the benefits of healthy friendships that nourish you, that cultivate you, and friendships that you cultivate back and really, really enjoy. It doesn't matter how old you are, you need to take care of your mental health at all times. You always need to take care and look out for number one. You need to look out for yourself at all times and set those boundaries, set those healthy boundaries, and find things that you enjoy and find company that empowers you. There's nothing wrong with caring for yourself. There's nothing wrong with looking out for yourself. And don't let anyone who makes you feel that way stay in your space. Don't let anyone who doesn't understand that you need to be by yourself sometimes, you need to be in your own space sometimes. Don't let any of those people into your space, because your space is your sanctuary. Your space is sacred, and do not let anyone, and I mean anyone who doesn't understand that, do not let them into your space. Do not let them into your space. If you watched to the end, thank you so much. And if you found this video to be helpful, you can like, you can comment, and tell me more about the things that you enjoy about having low maintenance friendships. And if self-improvement, relationships, women empowerment, beauty are your vibe, please subscribe. Until next time.